And I believe that the infodemic training that they offer fulfills my expectations, and I am eager to contribute to my country through applying the knowledge that I have gained through the very extensive and intensive comprehensive infodemic training management that we are privileged to go through.
For me, for myself, I think that infodemic management training is very important and very useful for me and also for my country. I will take what I have learned here, use as a benefit for my country.
I think this training is very useful for we because through this training we get knowledge on how to manage infodemic and risk communication, and so that it can be utilized by the community, by the public, and policymakers, of course, and related to stakeholders. And I hope this training can be carried out regularly every year, maybe.
For me, I work for communications long time ago, but I never attend this meeting, infodemic management. I think it's very good for me to know about this because I never heard about the how to manage the information. I think I can develop this training to my work, social listening, that I need to know what the target audience they talking about and develop to the communication material. So I think very useful, and thank you very much.
I would like to thank the organizing team of this infodemic course for a wonderful course, because I would say it's one of the best infodemics course that I've actually attended so far. The modules for this course were organized strategically based on evidence base, which I believe all the participants has benefited so much. So many viral informations, so many misinformations or disinformations were being circulated during COVID-19. So I, as a public health physician, experienced so much during the COVID-19, and it was actually quite challenging to tackle this kind of misinformations. So by attending this course, I learned a lot of methods, especially on tackling the infodemics.
I'd like to talk about three things. First, the training. So there are a lot of key takeaways. Actually, there are a lot of things that we have learned from the training, from the facilitators, from the people, from our co-participants. This training will really be beneficial and value-adding to my work as a Health Education and Promotion Officer in the Philippines. Thank you so much to all the facilitators and all the people behind this training. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
This is good occasional and good time for us in Pattaya City. They have a meeting about how of management infodemic situations. It's in my expectation I will use this knowledge from the lovely facilitator. Is provide me many scenario. It can make me the complex knowledge. It can adapt to my it can adapt and used in my duty in further when we facing with pandemic.
So for the infodemic management workshop, for the public health officer is very important because for the infodemic management aim to ensure people have to the right information so they can prevent them in the real time to protect themselves and develop funds about the disease and causes. The new channel right now, the rumor, the misinformation, disinformation will be occur. You have to respond both of the diseases and also both and included about the perceive of the people. So you can stabilizations of the social by yourself in your hand.
I'm really glad and grateful for being able to participate in this infodemic management training with country colleagues from the ASEAN region. For me, this has been a really wonderful opportunity, not only to be able to share some of my knowledge, but also to learn around how each of the different countries are doing infodemic management. There's some really amazing experience and approaches that are being undertaken by colleagues. And so it's been just a really wonderful opportunity for countries to learn from one another, share their insights and see how we can actually work together to improve and advance the work of infodemic management within the ASEAN region.
So thank you so much for joining our Infodemic Management for the Public Health 2023. So since we have started the online training for the first 2 years and then this 3 days, we really enjoyed about your participations, your energies and your power. This year is remarkable for me and thank you so much for your joining us and hope that our infodemic management in our Asia will be stronger and more effectively. Thank you so much.